Now, the thing what has been observed, user one is on the server, you are locking each other. Surya user 1 is locking user 25, user 20 is locking each other. You have to come out the activity. It should not take more than 30 seconds. People are just learned. I request all of you on the YouTube, please. Everyone on YouTube also, please. I'm just waiting. I think Kennedy won't be there. Shamika is there. Tabitha is there. Yashwant is not joining today. He has already informed. Kennedy is going to be late. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I just wanted someone to volunteer. Who is having Tabitha? Is your internet holding up good? I would like you to be the to me. Yeah, good. Thank you. So that there is no background disturbance in your background, Tabitha. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, please request your family members or just get your laptop to some room where you could be able to talk. All of you are on YouTube. Please confirm. Yeah, fine. Thank you. So the thing what I wanted to show is I have just logged in and see here. You see that the users already logged in. You are locking off each other. Okay, it's none other than our own members are locking it. When I say that, what I mean by that is enterprise structure of a company is going to be created by a single group of consultants. Yes or no? Savita, please come in. So company code is going to be defined by all the enterprise structure is going to be done by a set of consultants. Yes or no? It won't be done by everyone. Yes or no? So when you are trying to do in this server, you will find only one company, not hundreds of company in real time. If SAP is implemented in Modi Xerox, only Modi Xerox structure will be there. Here, 20 of us are creating 20 different enterprise structure. It will not happen in real time. Yes or no, Savita? So what is the thing here which is happening? I'll tell you. Say for example, I'll just show you what is happening. Uh, I'll just tell you the people who are. I'll tell you. SM. One second. Huh? The number of people who are logged into the server. I just want you to log. See, these are the people still unnecessarily there on the server. I'm pushing all of them out of the server. Right? When I'm saying why you have to do one by one is simple thing. I'll tell you, I'll log in with the two thing and show you where you are facing the problem. All of you. Say for example, Tabitha, I am trying to do a assignment here. Correct? Now this is open. And who is the user I'm using? I am going in user 15. Okay? Say for example, another user of our team. Okay? Say for example, user 16 also logs in. Right? He or she also try to do the same activity. What she will face, I'll tell you. This is what you will be seeing, all of you. Now, this is your user 15. Clear? and this is I'm putting user 16, right? Now when I'm clicking as a user 16, what will happen? The data is showing as a user 15. Yes or no? Majority of would have faced this problem yesterday. Reason is this activity can be done only by one person at a time. You have to hold for that 10 seconds till he comes out. Okay? What I mean by that? Say, for example, what is the first assignment I have to do? Assign company code to company. What was my company? Let me do RAVI. RAVI is assigned to RAVI. Clear? I save it. Now, because I'm alone doing it, none of the other users are there. And I should immediately come out of it. I should not leave it and go for a cup of coffee. Clear? So, whenever someone is doing, Savita, please come in. It should not take 10, 15 seconds. Otherwise, the other users will be keep on sucking and they will keep on messaging me. Clear? So, it should not take more than a minute for waiting for others. Right? So now what we are trying to understand is assignment. Assignment, the first assignment you are looking is assign company code to company. Correct? I write down some thumb rule. If you find new entry, give priority to new entry. Otherwise, give priority to position. Because I don't see a new entry here, I'll go to position. Clear? And I'll type my company code in front of my company code. I have to enter my company, which I have done, and I'll save it. Now, one assignment in FI is over. What are the other assignments which I have to do? I have to do one assignment. Next assignment is where it is? It is in logistic. Where it is? What is the magical number, Tabitha, for assignment? Now, you people are not preparing well. Yes. So, one assignment in finance you are done. Next assignment is going to be in logistic general. Assign plant to company code. So, what I'll do now, I will, where I'll go? I'll close my financial accounting and opening logistic general. Assign. Now you see, Tavita, you find a new entry here. Correct? As I told you, the thumb rule is give this. Now what is this here? I have to enter my company code. What is my company code? 4-digit ID? RAVI. And then I have to enter plant, which is also 4-digit ID. I'll press enter and save. Clear? So I have done with my 1 Now where I have to go? I have to close logistic general. Where I have to go now? I have to go to SD. In SD I got 5 of them. Clear? Now I go and open this SD. Assign sales order to company code. Now do I find a new entry here, Tabitha? The answer is no. No. I don't have a new entry here. What I should do? I have to go to position. Correct? What is my sales org? My sales org 4-digit ID is RAVI. I go there and in front of my company code, I'll enter my RAVI. Clear? Now, you see here, these people who have done this is they have done it wrong. Whoever it is. SA, Safi, someone who has done Safi, he has done it wrong. So wherever it is stopping you, just enter 1000, they can come and replace it. It is stopping you. So RAVI is assigned to RAVI. Now, what is the second assignment you have to do? Assign division to assign distribution channel to sales org. So, as I find new entry here, I'll click new entry. I have to enter RAVI is assigned to what is my distribution? What is the length of the distribution channel? Kavita, I don't get the answers. It's a very boring the class. Taking the class, I'm not enjoying. Thank you. No one is responding. It's just one-way traffic. Right. So if it is not there, I'll just keep on typing it because whatever the thing is there. Now, if you make interactive, your classes will be much more interesting. You keep on mute and don't want to talk, it's your wish. New entry, sales org, RAVI, distribution channel, RA, and division, RA. Press enter, save. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4 are over. What is the fifth assignment I have to? Assign sales or distribution channel to plant. Now, where it is? Assign sales or distribution channel to plant. Click new entry, RAVI, distribution channel is RA, plant is 4-digit ID, RAVI. Press enter, save. Now, once I have done 5 assignment in SD, where I have to go? I have to close my SD. Then where I have to go? I have given you the notes. Next two are in MM. In MM, what are the things we have? Assign purchase ordination to company code, assign purchase ordination to plant. So purchase ordination is a 4-digit ID. So assign Ravi to Ravi, RAVI to RAVI, purchase ordination to plant. That is also 4-digit, RAVI to RAVI. So here I go to MM, assign. I don't get a new entry. Where I have to go? I have to go to position. RAVI, enter. Now, because I have to enter my company code RAVI, press enter and save it. Clear? Now, what is the second assignment I have to do? Assign purchase organization to plant. Now, because you see new entry is there, first priority, as I told you, you have to give to what is the purchase organization? RAVI. What is my plant? It is also 4-digit ID. Enter and save. Right? Back. Now, what is the last thing? Assign warehouse number to plant slash storage location. Assign shipping point to plant. Clear? So assign warehouse. Now I found new entry. What is my plant ID? RAVI. Storage location RAVI. And warehouse number RAV. Press enter and save. Last one is this is the little difference you have to see. Now, which is the parental element? Plant. Plant is the highest element and shipping point is below that. So click on this button on binoculars or Control F on keyboard and search for your plant. What is your plant ID? RAVI. Click on your ID. Here you come. Now double click on this and here you will see all the shipping point. First the numeric will come, then it will go to alphabet A. I have to go up to which one? Alphabet R for my RAVI. So look for RAVI. You see here? Press enter. Just move little bit. RAVI is assigned to RAVI. Close it. Then you have done and dusted. That concludes your first topic I request you, no one has to touch the server until unless they put the Excel sheet and get the approval. What is the ID which you have given and the company name? Put the Excel sheet in the group. Am I clear to all? I want you to put the Excel sheet with the office which you are trying to create. Get my approval, then you try to punch in. Don't directly do it on the server. Am I clear? Raz- Razak, just unmute your microphone. I just wanted to understand whether you people are even following me or not. You are just on mute. There's no point being on mute. Razak, what are the 10 organization events which you have? What? How many organization events you have to define? Razak, name them quickly. It can't take so much of time, Razak. If you are not there, you are not on the pace with the class. Razak, what are the 10? God bless you. I'm saying, what are the 10? You have to name them. Daniel, please come in. Daniel, please help him out. What are the 10? Hmm. 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 Excellent. Huh? Two are, you have to say like this, Daniel. Please put the practice like this. Two are in FI. First one is company, second one is company code. Next two are in SD, sales organization, distribution channel. Please go ahead. Good, Daniel. Hmm. Hmm. Logistic general. Give. I just gave abbreviation in the Excel, but you give full so that I know that you know it. Hmm. 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 Good. So now, how many organization events are in logistic execution? Zach, Adrian Zach. Now I'll tell you, if you people are on mute, forget about your job prospect in 2026 also. You can look at a job in 2027 in SAP, right? This is almost all midnight for me when I'm coming and taking the class. If you are thinking that just attending the class you will going to crack an interview in SAP, you are far away from it. Let me be very honest. So from tomorrow onwards, whoever is on mute, please don't come to the class. Thank you. Chachi, what are the organization events you define in MM? Please listen to the question carefully. What are the organizational events you define in MM? You are way away, Chachi. You are not up to the mark. Martin, please, anyone in the class? I am not asking any rocket science or anything which we are talking this. I am saying here what is there in the Excel sheet. You people have read the Excel sheet. Correct. Now I am saying no one is trying to put an effort. Until unless you don't put this effort, don't touch the server. I am going to change everyone's password tonight. Till you know this by heart, there's no point of touching the server. You will commit some error on the server, nothing is going to happen. I am asking you this question here. What are the 10? You don't have this in back of your hand. This was taken 4 days back. You have to know what is the length of the ID, what are the mandatory fields, and where they are located. This Excel sheet is there, yes or no? If you are not putting right, right. Now, why the effort has not gone to do that? You have to think. Now, until unless you don't know this by heart, don't go to the other topic. It's a me. You are wasting your time as well as mine. Absolutely. Until unless you don't know A, don't go to B. Otherwise, your fundamentals are not strong. You are never going to do the second topic. And fourth day, you lose the interest on the subject. So, what is the checklist you have to cross? You have to cross this all this checklist. What are the 10? What is the length of the ID? I am not asking you anything theoretically. I am asking you what is being given to you. At least this much you can do. 1 hour of the class. After that, if you put 1 hour of the effort, I see everyone on the server fighting for this, which also you should know. These are the things which have been covered. So no. Now the thing is, please don't go to this thing. I request you. I'll take Mr. Daniel. Daniel, I'm taking you as a reference point today. I request everyone to follow this. Mr. Daniel, this is the way you have to go through the checklist. Please have a paper and a pen with you. If I'm going to say I know enterprise structure, when do I hit the server? First of all, I have to prepare this Excel sheet and put it in my WhatsApp group. For that, what you have to do, Mr. Daniel, you have to go here, right? Already the structure is there. Yes or no? You can just copy it and paste it here. Yes or no? I can copy this. I can copy this and paste it again. And I change the entities here. Yes or no? I'll remove this and put my own company, whatever the company you are doing. Right? And then you are doing the assignment and writing your ID. Correct? Once you are done that, the first thing you have understood what you are supposed to do. Clear? So you are not doing anything other than what you have punched in on the Excel. Correct? So when it is a 4-digit ID, you know what is the 4-digit ID you are going to give. What is the 2-digit ID? You know what is the 2 ID. Right? So once the Excel is there. So then you have crossed your level 1 on your Excel. Right, Mr. Daniel? The second checklist, what you have to do is after you have prepared the thing, enterprise structure has two parts, Mr. Daniel. Right? Part A, definition. Part B, assignment. That we should be clear. The third thing, what I have to know is the definition. I have given a magical number. What is the definition magical number? 22222. Right. So once I know that, then I should be able to expand it. What is that 222? Two or there are totally 10 organizational events I have to define, out of which two are in finance. What are they? Company code. Next two are in SD. What are they? Sales organization distribution channel. Next two are in division and plant in logistic general. Next two are in MM. What are they? Purchase organization, storage location and purchase organization. And the last two are in my logistic execution channel. Then I have crossed my checklist number 2. I know the 10. Now where they are located also I know. Correct. 22222. The next thing what I have to understand, Daniel, that they are 2-digit ID, 3-digit ID, 4-digit ID. Because SAP understand ID language. Correct. Then I have to know 2 digits are for which organization event? Distribution channel and division. 3 digit is for warehouse number. Correct? Next, 7 of them are having 4 digit. So 2 digit are for distribution channel and division. 3 digit is for warehouse number. 7 of them are having 4-digit ID. Clear? So I have cleared that checklist also. So what is the 4-digit ID which I am going to put for my company? I am asking you if my name is, I can take first four alphabet of my name, DANI. Okay. So wherever I require four digit, I'll take DANI. So two digit is going to be DA. Warehouse number, I require three digit ID. I'll take the ID as DAN. Correct. So my company ID will be DANI. Company code DANI. Sales or DANI. Wherever I require two digit, it will be DA. For warehouse number, it will be DAN. Clear? Now I want to do the second enterprise sector. Then I can take the first four alphabets of my wife's name, mother, brother, sister, father, cousin, or anyone whom you like. Like this, you can create three structures. Clear? And this three structure could be from three different industry. What are the three industry you can think of? You can think I'm going to implement SAP in pharmaceutical industry. One I'll take steel industry. One I may take cement industry. Of whatever your choice. I'm not restricting. Take three different manufacturing segments. Clear? Yeah. Tavita, please go ahead. Shoot the question. Huh? Corporate group. Corporate. How the structure of any group will. How the structure of any company will look like, Tavita? You have a corporate group. Under corporate group, you have got subsidiary company. Correct? Corporate group in SAP is called as company. Subsidiary company is called as company code in SAP. Correct? Modi Group is a group name under which we have got many subsidiary company. Modi Xerox, Modi Business Machine, Modi Tire. I got Tata Group. Under Tata Group, I got Tata Consultancy Service, which is into software. Tata Steel, which is into steel industry. Tata Motors, which is into automobiles. So many subsidiaries are there. Correct? They become the company code. Clear? Now, that is the way you have to look at it. So once you have done that checklist, now what is the thing? I have understood it is going to be two digit, three digit, four digit. Now I understood the name and how I have to give the description also. Then where I have to come next checklist, I have to come to how many organization event will have mandate. Correct? Now first of all, easy way of removing which will have mandatory field are which are having two digit will not have mandatory. When you see it here, the two digit is for distribution channel. So no mandatory field. Remove them. Two of them we have removed. Three digit also will not have. Warehouse number also will not have mandatory field. Three you have removed. Two four digit ID which will not have mandatory field. Both are in your MM. Easy way of remembering. So out of the 10, how many of are having mandatory field? 5 are mandatory field. 5 doesn't have mandatory field. So if I am trying to remove which doesn't have distribution channel, division, number, two digit and three digit are there. Now two four digit which doesn't have mandatory storage location and purchase organization. Which are the five left out for you? Company, company code, sales organization, plant, and shipping point. Yes or no? Now five of them have mandatory field. Now this you have to know by heart. Five of them are company, company code, sales organization, plant, and shipping point. Again, how do I remember? All of them will have three mandatory field. Only your shipping point will have four. You see here, only shipping point has four mandatory field. Correct? Now, what are the mandate field? Now I have to know that on the top of my head. I have to by heart him. Company code has country language currency, country language currency. Sales organization has statutory currency, sales or calendar rebate. Plant will have country, region, factory calendar. Shipping point will have departure country, factory calendar, pick pack time, loading time. If I know this by heart, then I have prepared my Excel sheet. Keep your Excel sheet, shut down your system. Take out one A4 size paper. Write down the same thing whether you are able to reproduce on the white paper. Then you see you will not miss a single thing on the server. Am I clear to the class? So then I have done my part A. Correct? Then I have to go to part B. What is part B, Tabitha? Again, I have a logic there. I have given a magical number. What is the magical number for part B? 11522. Correct? So, what is the son has to be assigned to father, daughter has to be assigned to mother, lower element has to be assigned to upper element. Correct? So, first, finance. In finance, what are the things you have defined, Tabitha? I have defined company and company code. Company is bigger, company code is smaller. Correct? So what is the logic says? Assign the lower element to the upper element. So assign company code to company. Done. So I need not memorize. It is logical. I have done with that. Next one, assign plant to company code. Now for this, I request all of you, please write down in your notebook. In assignment, you write down note 1. Note 1. How to remember this? I'm giving a easy logic to you. Write down note 1. Ultimate document of business is balance sheet. Sheet. Agreed, Kavita? Whatever he does, everything has to be reflected in the balance sheet to show it to the rest of the world, means stakeholders. Correct? If I want to draw a balance sheet of Modi Xerox, at what level I am drawing the balance sheet? At company code level. Correct? Yes or no? If I have to take a balance sheet of Modi Xerox, I'll be taking at company code level. Can I call company code is the highest element of finance module? Yes, because I am drawing the ultimate document called balance sheet there. So please write down ultimate document. Note one: ultimate document of business is balance sheet. We draw the balance sheet at company code level. We draw balance sheet at company code level. So company code is the highest element of finance module. Right. Now write down note 2. Now give me a logic to this. Which is the highest element of your production department? What happens in production department, Tavita? What happens in production department? What do you do? In sales department you sell. In purchase department you purchase. In production department what do you do? You manufacture or produce. So where do you manufacture your Xerox machine? It is called as dash. Where do you manufacture? Very good. Plant. Why it is taking so much of time to give? Right? So can I call plant as the highest element of your production department? Correct? Because plant is the highest element of production department, and whatever is happening in your production department, should it be reflected in balance sheet, Daniel? So, where do you draw the balance sheet? You draw the balance sheet at company code level, right? What is the highest element of plant should be assigned to what? Company code, correct? You see here, assign plant to company code. Why you have put that? Now you write down the note too, then you will understand the law. Plant is the highest element of production department. Write down, comma. Whatever is happening in the production department should be reflected in the balance sheet. So we assign plant to company code. I hope now the logic is clear to you, all of you. Anyone has a doubt, you can just unmute and speak. Don't raise the hand. I am not seeing your screen now. Anyone has a doubt? Interview question. This is why plant has to be assigned to company code. The answer should be the ultimate document of the business is balance sheet, and you draw the balance sheet at company code level. And the plant is the highest element of production department, and whatever is happening in the production department should be reflected in the balance sheet. So we assign plant to company code. Yeah, my clear, Tavita? Right. Now write down, just change the name. What is the highest element of sales department? Sales. Write down note 3. Sales org is the highest element of sales department, comma. Whatever is happening in the sales department should be reflected in the balance sheet. So we assign sales org to company code. In this 5, you see the first one what you have done? Assign sales org to company code. Yes or no? So you understood the logic now. Interview question. Why sales org has to be assigned to company code? Simple answer. The ultimate document of business is balance sheet. You draw the balance sheet at company code level, and sales org is the highest element of sales department. Whatever is happening in the sales department should be reflected in the balance sheet. So we assign sales org to company code. Yeah, am I clear? So now you think sales org has two kids. What is the responsibility of sales org? How do they sell and what do they sell? Right? They have two naughty kids called distribution channel and division. Right? As I told you, son has to be assigned to father. So assign, third one is assign distribution channel to sales org. How do you sell? What is the ultimate thing of sales org? How I sell and what I sell. So I am assigning distribution channel to sales org. I am assigning division to sales org. Clear? Logically, you're clear now. Now this is important thing. Please write down. Sales area is equal to combination of sales organization, distribution channel, division put together is called as sales area. Sales organization plus distribution channel plus division put together is called as sales area. Clear? So what is my sales area? The first four alphabets what I write down sales org, RAVI. Distribution channel 2-digit ID RA. Division RA. If I'm going to ask you tomorrow what is your sales area, it is RAVI RA. Clear? It could be whatever the IDs which we are giving, that you should know by heart. Then what is the fifth assignment? Assign sales or distribution channel to plant. Now what is this? Say for example, I got two plants, okay, and I got two distribution channel. Daniel, what is distribution channel? Direct sale, okay, direct sale or internet sale, okay. Let's assume my company Modi Xerox Sales Org has two distribution channel. Direct sale is one and internet sale is one. Then I got two plants, plant one and plant two. Correct? All the customer who are buying through direct sale, I am going to give from plant 1, and all the customer who are buying from internet sale, I'm going to deliver them from plant 2. So to activate that, what I have to do? I have to assign my sales organization. Modi Xerox sales org direct sale assigned to plant 1. Yes or no? Modi Xerox sales org plant 2. Yes or no? So the logic is assign sales or distribution channel to plant. So that concludes your 5 assignments SD. This you should know by heart. Am I clear? Next two are in MM. Again, same logic. Write down your note 3 or note 4. Write down. So, what is the highest element of purchase department? Purchase organization. Now, write down note 4. Purchase organization is the highest element of purchase department, comma. Whatever is happening in the purchase department should be reflected in the balance sheet. So, we assign purchase organization to company code. Correct? Next, assign purchase organization to plant. Okay, when the head of the purchase department is buying the raw material, say for example, uh, Daniel, you're buying the vegetable from one shop. The vegetable will go to your house only, na? If I call your house one plant, it will not go to your neighbor's house. Correct. Purchase organization is buying to buying this raw material because this particular purchase, in one plant I may manufacture Xerox machine, in another plant I may manufacture fax machine, in another plant I may manufacture my printers. Correct. My company may have three product line and I have got three different plants. Correct. The raw material which I am purchasing for Xerox machine should not be sent to the printer manufacturing plant. Yes or no? It should go to the Xerox manufacturing plant. Correct. So assign your purchase organization to plant. And finally, what is logistic execution saying? Assign warehouse number to plant slash storage location. What is this meaning of this? I bedroom house to as a plant and bedroom as storage location one where I keep finished goods. Bedroom number two, I call it as storage location two where I keep all my raw material. Bedroom number three, I keep my all spare and call it as spare storage location. Now in bedroom number one, I got 100 Xerox machine. So no, if I ask Kennedy to get one Xerox machine to Nairobi airport, first of all, I have to tell you, Tabitha, I have to give him his your house address. Meaning, I have to give him the plant address. Is that enough? The Xerox machine are kept in which room? Then I have to give him the storage location address. It is kept in bedroom number one. Now Kennedy has reached the bedroom number one. He opens, he sees the 100 Xerox machine. Clear? Which Xerox machine he'll bring to the airport? Which Xerox machine he'll bring? Now I have to give him the exact location, pick the Xerox machine out of that 100. Then I have to give him the precise direction saying the first Xerox machine next to your. So what is warehouse number? The exact location from where you pick the material is called as warehouse number. So warehouse number is assigned to plant slash storage location. Clear? Where are you picking the Xerox machine? From the room. Where is the room? Room is in the house. Correct. So your warehouse number is room slash house. So your warehouse number is assigned to plant slash storage location. And finally, what is your shipping point? Shipping point is nothing but the exit point of the plant. Correct? If I consider exit exit point of the plant is called a shipping point. If I consider your house as your plant, your door is going to be the exit point. That will be shipping point. Correct? So the door is assigned to what? Door is assigned to your house. So shipping point is assigned to your plant. Am I clear? Hmm. And I'll tell you. Now, who oh, no, no, one second. I am saying, say, for example, if I pass through this your house, are you going to just tell me that this house belong to me, or you say that bedroom also is mine, second bedroom is also mine, third bedroom is also mine? You correct? The whole house, you are the owner of the whole house. Correct? You are the owner of the whole plant, right? So your shipping point is assigned. The exit point is assigned to the plant. Shipping point is assigned to plant, the whole house. And what is warehouse number? Warehouse number is attached to exact location from where you are picking the material. So your bedroom number one location, your bedroom number two warehouse location could be different. Yes or no? The product what I am picking from bedroom number one is a Xerox machine, and bedroom number two is a raw material. What is the raw material for Xerox machine? It could be a toner or a drum or the body of the Xerox machine. Correct? So the warehouse number is assigned to plant slash storage location. Clear? Good question. Right. So that's how you are looking at it. Once you know this and once you have put this Excel sheet, minimize everything and try to put everything into your head. Are you able to say? Only the two magical numbers you have to say is 2222. Are you able to give the answer? Correct? Now I'm going to give you three stages where you are looking at it. Everyone attended today's class, they know what I have taught you. Correct? And you don't practice. You don't practice, you know SAP, enterprise structure, theoretically. Right? Second part. I am ready to put enterprise structure in my resume. When it will come? When you go through this checklist. Correct? I am being called for interview. What is the stage you should be? What is the stage you should be? You should be in a stage when you are called for interview. He can ask you anything. You should be prepared. Meaning you should be able to say 2222 and 1152. Now I'll tell you, Daniel, when you will get the offer letter. What is the third assignment in SD? Tabitha, you have to think fast. Correct? What is the third assignment in SD? Tabitha, that is the offer letter. Now, how many assignments are there in SD? Anyone in the class, please? How many assignments in SD? Five. Out of the five, what is the third one? Yeah. Now this I call 30-second lag. Right? 30-second lag. Subject, but I didn't get the offer. Now, what is the effort everyone has to put is it has to be spontaneous. Meaning you have to think out of the box. The interviewer can ask you the question whichever way he answers. Razak, what is the second assignment in logistic execution? Immediately it should come because I gave a logical number 11522. Okay, logistic execution 2. Okay, in 2 he's asking second one. Assign shipping point to plant should be your answer. To come out and give the answer in that way, that is the day you are looking at offer letter. Correct? So now to reach that stage, each one of you, what kind of effort has to be put is that is your hunger. How desperately I want a job. Going through a course will not give me a job. Take it from me. Now, once you are able to, how many mandatory fields are there in plant? Razak, how many mandatory field in plant? So, without knowing that, if I'm going to go to the next class, it's of no use. No use. Take it from me. So 1 hour of the class, and next day when you are coming, or you put all of you a request to Kenny, 1 day class, 1 day revision, next day class, something like that. If you are stretched out for time and you don't get the time to prepare, after 1 hour of my class, if you are not preparing for 1 hour minimum, you won't be able to go through the course. This is clear how intelligent and how hardworking you might be. It requires. SAP calls that much time. So you have to know. Now once you have all that done, I am looking everyone to put that Excel sheet here for approval before touching the server. I don't see anyone putting an Excel sheet here. Correct? And trying to do everything in the server, which is not the right way. Whether you are given the correct ID or not, who knows? Who has checked it? I have to check it, no? Now I'm giving again the people who have joined new or late. This is the Excel sheet. You go and modify, write your own IDs, have everything by hand, put that thing, and then you are able to see it. Yeah, am I clear now to all of you? Now I'm stopping the live streaming, then I'll take the questions. Just hold on. Thank you.